The simplest way to copy the data in Excel and paste it in somewhere else is by using the universal shortcut key Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. For example, I'm just going to select the range of cell. After that, pressing Ctrl+C, this data has been selected now. Trying to copy the data. And in case I want to paste it here, I'm just selecting here and Ctrl+V. That means pasted, right? So same data has been copied and pasted here, right? And just pressing Ctrl+Z. A basic difference between copying and moving your data is that when you copy the data, it still remains in the destination in the source cell. For example, I'm just trying to copy the data and paste it here. See, in the source cell, the same data has been remained here, right? But in case if I move the data from here to here, I'm just putting Ctrl+Z and I'm just trying to move like this. For example, I'm just selecting this data. After that, for moving the data, press Ctrl+X. And I'm just moving to this destination and Ctrl+V. For pasting, you can use the same shortcut key, that is Ctrl+V. See, in that case you can see these cells are empty now because the data has been moved to new location, right? So this is the best way to copy or move the data by using this shortcut key. That is for copying Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, for moving Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Okay, but there are a couple of more ways you can do this. And just putting Ctrl+Z. For example, I just want to select this area and want to copy this. Just click on right click button on the mouse and you can see the copy option. Just click on this and select the cell where you want to copy this data and just select it, and again right click of the mouse and you can see the paste option here. See, right? And similar way, if I want to cut and paste, I'm just selecting this and right click, here you can see cut, right? Just clicking this and select the area where you want to paste it, right click here and paste it. See, this has been moved from here to this location, right? And press Ctrl+C. And another way to move or copy the data is, for example, I'm going to select this particular range. In case if I want to move from here, I just moving this cursor to edge of the selection and just move like this. See, it has been moved from here to here. Similar way, instead of moving, I just want to copy and paste it and just pressing Ctrl+Z. In that case, just simply press on Ctrl key button on your keyboard and just move the edge of the selection. Now you can see the plus arrow icon, right? Just move like this. If I move here, and you can see that particular range has been copied from here to here, right? And there's another method. For example, if I want to copy the data from row number 9 to 10, that case just select the row number 10 like this and press Ctrl+D. See, the data has been selected from 9 to 10. Similar way, if I want to copy the data from column C completely from here to D, that case just select the range of cells where you want to copy the data. After that, click on Ctrl+R. See, complete data has been copied from here, right? Just pressing Ctrl+C. Hope you clear this topic.